Hi, this is Grant at Grant Palmer Photography, bringing you some more tips and tricks about photographing at Burning Man. And I want to talk a little bit about your phone. I keep my phone in a zippered pouch, so it is less likely to get separated from me. So I don't have to pray to the playa gods that it will turn up at Lost and Found. The other thing I do is I change my phone lock screen. And that's the screen that comes up when you just power on the phone. Before you enter a password or any of that sort of stuff, it comes up, and mine is right here. And what this has is my camp information on it. So if somebody, a Good Samaritan, finds my phone and opens it up, they will know exactly where it needs to be returned to. Also, if I am having to go to Lost and Found to try and find it, I can easily identify my phone from everybody else's by just telling them, start it up. The lock screen will say my name, it'll say this campsite, in this case it'll be red, easily identifies the phone. That way you'll get your phone back faster than trying to identify it some other way. Anyway, hope this was helpful. Drop any comments you like, ask any questions, hit me up on Grant Palmer Photography on Instagram, and I will catch you all in the next one. Cheers.